7, Group 1 in Theory. Some people don't know the parts and function of the lock stitch sewing machine. But don't worry, I'm here to demonstrate what are the parts and function of the lock stitch sewing machine. What is a lock stitch? A lock stitch is the most common mechanical stitch made by a sewing machine. The term single dress shirt needles refers to lock stitch. This is the lock stitch sewing machine. Basic parts of sewing machine and their function. Number 1 is spool pin. One basic parts of sewing machine is spool pin. It is fitted on top of the arm to hold the reel. Number 2 is thread guide. It holds the thread in position from the spool to the needle. 3 is tension disc. Concave disc put together with the convex sides facing each other. The thread passes between the two. The tension of the thread is adjusted by a spring and nut which increases or decreases pressure. This is a take-up lever. It is a lever fitted to the body of arm. Its up and down motion fits the thread to the needle. This is the needle bar. It is a steel rod to hold the needle at the one end with the help of a clamp. Its main function is to give motion to the needle. Bobbin case. This moves into position to catch the top thread and form the stitch as the needle is lowered into the bobbin chamber. Pressure foot. It is fixed to the pressure bar, hold the cloth firmly in position when lowered. Pressure foot lifter. A lever attached to the pressure bar for raising and lowering the pressure foot. Stitch regulator. This controls the length of the stitch. Bobbin winder. A simple mechanism used for winding thread on the bobbin.
Flywheel. When this is made to revolve, it works the mechanism of the motion.
Or thumb screw. This is in the center of the flywheel and it engages and disengages the stitching mechanism. Needle plate or throat plate. A semicircular disc with a hole to allow the needle to pass through. Of a set of teeth fitted below the needle plate. It helps to move the cloth forward while sewing.